Indian laurel, also known as Chinese banyan, Malayan banyan, glossy leaf fig. Indian laurel, Ficus microcarpa, is a fig tree originating in China. The Indian laurel attracts the fig wasp pollinator. In some East Asian cultures, it is believed the Indian laurel is a meeting place for spirits. The banyan tree is actually a type of fig. It starts out small, landing in another tree, and then eventually it envelopes the tree and continues to grow outwards. This is what accounts for the multiple root systems that we see. The tree is sacred because it is said that the Buddha have attained enlightenment under a banyan tree. 2. Mango tree. Also known as Indian mango. Mango tree is a large tree native to the Indian subcontinent. It is most well known for the tropical fruit it produces, and mango is the national fruit of India, Pakistan, and the Philippines. Mango tree can also be used for wood after the tree's fruit production is over. This type of wood is highly prized for making musical instruments. Nam Dok Mai is a mango cultivar which originated in Thailand. It is the most popular mango variety in Thailand. 3. Frangipani, also known as jasmine, common frangipani, Plumeria, is a deciduous shrub or small tree native to the tropical and subtropical Americas. It is widely cultivated as an ornamental plant in tropical and subtropical climates. Often named temple tree, this tree is appreciated all over the region. All parts of the plant are toxic when ingested due to their high alkaloid content. 4. Golden shower tree, also known as golden rain, Indian laburnum, golden shower, purging fistula. Golden shower tree, Cassia fistula, is a plant that is found in tropical and subtropical regions. It is at its peak during the middle of the summer. Golden shower tree is both the national flower and tree of Thailand. The Latin name Cassia comes from Cassia, which means fragrant plant. It holds a sacred place in scriptures like the Ramayana and Mahabharata. 5. Yellow trumpet bush, also known as yellow elder ginger Thomas. Although the yellow trumpet bush have beautiful and bright flowers that can be pleasing to look at, this plant is considered an invasive weed in multiple countries. A native of the Americas, this plant is often found planted on roadsides in Thailand. Not to be confused with the golden shower, as it is a large tree. 6. Rubber tree, also known as rubber fig, Indian rubber plant. Rubber tree, Ficus elastica, is a large tree with wide, oval, glossy leaves. Its milky white latex was used for making rubber before para rubber tree came into use, hence the name. Rubber tree is an ornamental species often grown as a houseplant in cooler climates. This temperature-tolerant rubber plant grows huge within a wild tropical setting, sometimes reaching up to 60 meters, more commonly 40 meters. With its large glossy oval leaves, the Ficus elastica dominates those around it by generating long strangling roots which wrap themselves around other close-by plants. 7. Thailand rubber trees, Hevea brasiliensis. The rubber plant should not be confused with the rubber tree that is now planted on plantations to extract latex for rubber production. This is another species from South America. You will typically see rows of these trees in plantations as you are driving around Thailand. The sure way to know is to look for the small dish that is collecting the white rubber sap coming from the trees. Papaya Carica papaya, also known as pawpaw. Papaya is a fruit-bearing plant that originates from Central America. The fruits are edible and sweet and juicy when ripe. An enzyme collected from the milky sap is used as a meat softener, which if ingested may be toxic. Keeping a papaya plant in your garden will welcome many birds to your landscape. In Thailand, papaya is used to make a Thai green papaya salad, which is known as som tam. 9. Cannonball tree, Curupita guianensis, is a tropical tree known for its large, unique, fragrant blossoms and cannonball-shaped fruit. As the fruits ripen, they may fall onto unsuspecting people below. 10. Oleander, also known as Nerium. Nerium oleander, known as oleander, is a shrub or a small tree known for its majestic pink, 5-lobed flowers and deep green lanceolate leaves. Oleander is one of the most poisonous popular decorative garden plants. 11. Royal poinciana, also known as flame tree, flame of the forest, red tree, Royal poinciana, Delonyx regia, is also known as the peacock tree or the flamboyant tree. It's a Madagascar native and is known for its brilliant crimson or red-yellow flowers. It grows exceedingly fast, reaching its maximum height of around 12 meters in a short amount of time. It is planted all over Thailand. 13. Tropical almond, also known as sea almond, Malabar almond, false kamani. Tropical almond is grown commonly as an ornamental tree. It is prized for its ability to provide shade with its large leaves. These leaves are commonly used in aquariums by fish breeders for their ability to lower the pH and heavy metal content of the water. Although the fruit of the tropical almond is edible, the taste is slightly acidic. 14. Blackboard tree, also known as white cheesewood, common pulai, milkwood pine. Blackboard tree, Alstonia scolaris, is a perennial evergreen tree that can grow to 40 meters tall. It is a tropical tree with fragrant clusters of showy white flowers that bloom in fall. The perfume-like scent of the blossoms is more obvious during the evenings. Most often planted as a street tree. Another common name for this tree is devil's tree. The tree milky white sap contains alkaloids that are toxic and harmful for humans and animals. That is why the tree earned its sinister title. It's essential to emphasize that the rest of the tree possesses valuable medicinal properties and are used in medicine. 14. Rain tree or giant monkey pod. The monkey pod tree, Albizia saman, named after its spiral-shaped fruit pods, is also commonly known as the rain tree due to the folding behavior of its leaves during rainfall or at night. With a lifespan of 80 to 100 years, the monkey pod grows up to 5 feet per year and is considered semi-deciduous, which means that its leaves fall off temporarily during dry seasons. When the rainy season begins, the tree quickly regenerates new leaves and becomes lusher and fuller. One of the distinctive features of monkey pod trees is their compound leaf structure, similar to that of a fern. During the summer months, these trees produce pink flowers. 15. Fiddle leaf fig, also known as fiddle leaf Ficus lyrata. As its name implies, the fiddle leaf fig has leaves that are shaped like a violin, wildly popular as a houseplant. They are characterized by their large, leathery leaves, which are often variegated or mottled. The difference between ficus and fiddle tree is often debated, but this tree is one of the ficus species. 16. Jackfruit, Artocarpus heterophyllus, is a tree species related to the fig tree native to India and Malaysia. The fruit produced by this tree, the jackfruit, is a common component of culinary dishes around the world. The ripe fruit has a sweet taste and is often served raw in cold dishes. 17. Pride of India, also known as giant crepe myrtle, Pride of India, Lagostremia speciosa, is a small to medium-sized tree that can grow up to 20 meters tall with smooth, flaky bark. Pride of India is native to tropical southern Asia. This species is also known as the giant crepe myrtle or Queen's crepe myrtle. 18. Weeping fig, also known as Benjamin fig, Benjamina ficus. Weeping fig is an evergreen tree native to Asia and Australia. It is one of the most popular houseplants in the world, known for its elegant glossy leaves. However, people with allergies should avoid weeping fig, considering that it is a major source of indoor allergens. All parts of the plant are poisonous except the fruits. 19. Water jasmine. The evergreen and tropical plant, water jasmine, is easy to grow. It's a hardy plant that likes plenty of water and the sun. The small flower clusters are highly fragrant, and it's a highly popular bonsai plant. It's widely planted in homes and temples, and it's popular among bonsai enthusiasts in Southeast Asia. 20. The native Thai tree, Atuna excelsa subspecies racemosa, is also found in Malaysia and the South Pacific Islands of Oceania. This tall tree can reach up to 33 meters. The tree has smooth grey to black bark and bright green ovular leaves that slightly curl inward. Atuna excelsa subspecies racemosa trees have blue or white flowers that produce pear-shaped fruit. The fruit is an important ingredient in the raw seafood Filipino dish kinilaw. It's used to neutralize the fishy taste and acidity. 21. Dalbergia oliveri. Another native Thai tree is the Dalbergia oliveri, a flowering legume in the family Fabaceae. It's also sometimes called Burma tulipwood, pinkwood, or tamalan tree. This tall tree can reach heights up to 30 meters. It is currently listed as endangered because of habitat loss and overharvesting. Dalbergia oliveri trees have red rosewood timber, which is highly sought after. You can find this stunning tree not only in Thailand, but also in Laos, Cambodia, Myanmar, and Vietnam. In Thailand, this tree is called Mai Ching Chan. 22. You can also find native Xanthophyllum obscurum trees. This tall and thick tree produces beautiful pink, white, or purple flowers. The fruits darken as they ripen. The fruits are round, brown, or blackish, and edible. Xanthophyllum obscurum trees are native to southern Thailand and western Malaysia. They aren't picky and mainly live in lowland and lower montane forests. You can find these trees at sea level or high up at elevations up to 2,000 meters. 23. Next on our list is Melodorum fruticosum, more commonly known as the white cheesewood. This small and bushy tree produces beautiful flowers. The cream-colored flowers are fragrant and are one of the national flowers of Cambodia. White cheesewood flowers are also the provincial flower of Sisaket province, Thailand. This tree is also old with a rich history. For example, the tree is referred to in ancient Cambodian literature and folklore. In Thailand, white cheesewood flowers are important. So important that a delicious traditional cookie, kleb lam duan, is made in the shape of a white cheesewood flower. 24. Another native Thai tree is the Magnolia praecalva. This tree produces large bright white flowers with thin but long petals. It also found in Sumatra, Vietnam, and Peninsular Malaysia. Like other magnolia trees, Magnolia praecalva flowers are sweet-smelling and showy. Over the last few decades, there has been a decline in Magnolia praecalva trees, but the exact population is unknown. 25 Seodes umbellifera is a small tree or evergreen shrub. It's native to many countries, including Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Thailand, Madagascar, China, Taiwan, Vietnam, Hawaii, and the Andaman Islands. You can also find this beautiful shrub in the states of New South Wales and Queensland in Australia. They grow well in warm environments but don't tolerate high or low temperatures. This beautiful tree, plays an important role in its environment, providing food for many animals. It's also commonly known as the bird lime tree or birdcatcher tree. This tree has softwood but is best known for its small pink or yellow flowers. During spring, the plant produces brown fruit. The sweet-smelling sap attracts birds, small mammals, and insects. However, it also keeps them trapped. Birdcatcher trees were also once used for traditional medicine in Hawaii and China. 26. Another native and common Thai tree is the Diospyros areolata, a flowering plant. The plant is also native to Sumatra, Peninsular Malaysia, Java and Borneo. The tall tree can reach up to 30 meters and produces unique reddish-brown twigs. This tree produces ornamental fruit that is orange when ripe. They grow best in full sun with moderate watering. 27. Last but not least is the Cannonball calophyllus, a 30 meters Thai native tree. You can also find this beautiful tree in Malaysia and Indonesia. The tree's diameter reaches up to 30 centimeters. Cannonball calophyllus trees have pale green or purple flowers and small round fruits. These trees best grow in lowland forests. Although not as common, they also grow in swamps. 28th Durian tree. Native to Southeast Asia, particularly Malaysia, Indonesia and Thailand, the durian tree thrives in warm, humid climates and well-drained soils. Its fruits, known as the king of fruits, are revered for their unique, pungent aroma and rich custard-like flesh. In Thailand, there are over 200 varieties of durians. Each variety is slightly different in terms of shape, size, taste, texture, color, and overall appearance. Here are some of the most popular durian varieties in Thailand.